YouTube channel. Is your girl again, Giftan Idoghor. Welcome to the second segment of ADHD, Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. Yes, so yes, the first segment was just a background of ADHD, but this is the second segment, and I'm going to give out just 3 to 5 guidelines to follow when your child has ADHD. Number one is always reward the child. Reward the child when the child does something good. Always reward the child, no matter how little the child did or has done. Please try to reward the child. It can be anything. Just show them that you care. Just show them you want them to do more, because they hardly follow rules. They hardly follow regulations. They hardly follow what you have laid down, because of what, like, they have short attention span. Like, they can't keep still. They can't keep still. Honestly, they can't keep still. So, and as the saying goes, there is no problem without a solution. So there's always a solution. This is part of it. So the second one is discipline, mild discipline. Please, when your child with ADHD does something or has done something bad, please give the child a mild discipline, because when you give them so much discipline, it takes them far away from you, and it keeps them into um what is it called, the atmosphere or the environment you wouldn't want them to be. Already, children or people with ADHD don't associate. Yes, they have problem associating with people. So by the time you give them so much discipline, it keeps them far away from people. It keeps them far away from you, that is their mother. So please, you need to be their friend. You need to draw them closer, show them love, tell them that you love them. Okay, please. I've already jumped to the to the three. That is number three of it. Number one is reward them whenever they do good, no matter how little it is. Number two is mild discipline. Just give them a mild discipline. It can be a little punishment. Then later on, you draw them back to yourself, talk with them in a gentle way, in a gentle manner that will show that you love them. The third one is the love. You show them love no matter how it is, no matter how difficult or how pain or disappointing that you might get or you get because of their behavior. You just have to show it to them, because that is the way that you care for a child with ADHD. Okay. Number four, yes, if I'm correct. Number four is attention. Yes, they don't have attention. You do. So you try to give them the attention they don't have, because a time will come, or a time will always come where they will meet you, say, Mommy, this one, then what about that one? Mommy, Jonathan told me that. Daddy, that is the time they need your attention. So you need to give them all the attention that they need, because they don't have the attention. So you have to give it to them. No matter what you're doing, no matter how busy your schedule is, no matter how tight corner you might be, just drop whatever you are doing and give them the attention that you have. Okay? Please, they need it. The first one is mild discipline. The second one is showing them love. I'm already missing it all, but just get the message. Is showing them love. The third one is attention. The fourth one is yes, love, attention, mild discipline, and reward. Yes, always give them reward, no matter how little it is. So please, my parents, my dear parents, we are still on with this ADHD, on how to care for a child with ADHD, and also how to care for our fellow adults with ADHD. It's not their fault. When you see them doing what seems abnormal, what seems abnormal from what every other person does, it is not their fault. Just know it is what they're suffering from, and we will have no choice than to help them with that. Thank you so much for stopping by. Till we meet again, I mean your girl, Gifty Doggo. We'll see on our next segment on ADHD. Bye.